All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today, Snap-on got me again. All right, well, this close to paying off my truck account on the Snap-on truck. Yeah, they got me, and I did something I said I was never gonna do. I bought the Snap-on long head electric ratchet. That's right, I bought a Snap-on electric tool. What the heck was I thinking? So, Snap-on guy was running a promo on these, and honestly, I think it might come in handy. So, I popped for the money. My truck account's back up to, well, 500 bucks. Total, I hadn't paid it off yet. 2 batteries, charger, and high-vis orange. Doesn't match real well, but it's orange, so he got me. I'm looking forward to using this. I haven't had a chance to yet. I could see it coming in handy. I mean, long electric ratchet. I mean, nice and thin to go into tight spots. So, yeah, they got me. So, I will put it to the test and give you my opinion on it, just like I would anybody else's stuff. So, I've got 2 batteries with it, and a charger, and the tool. And in case you're wondering, yes, it came with the boot. No, I'm not putting it on. And in case you are unfamiliar with this, it is part number CTR 767OWB for the orange with 1 battery. Obviously, I had to pop for the kit. So he worked that out the same way, just I got the orange one instead of the green one because he had the kit for the green one and the red one, but no orange kit. So, but that's part number. I'll put it to its paces and let you know how it does. If it breaks or it works great, I'll let you know. Hope you liked this video. I know I turned to the dark side. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification to get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, maybe you think I've turned to the dark side. Give me a thumbs down. Comments, I know there's going to be a few, are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.